Oh my God. Thank you, Art, for the introduction. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen, fellow members, past members, and our distinguished guest, the Honorable Miss Deborah Zekeli. Welcome to the party. First of all, I'd like to express my sincere thanks to everybody attending this special and monumental event. It is the 20th anniversary of the most elite golf club in San Diego. Thank you, thank you. You know, history was written by Parachuters when it was founded in 1993, December 17 actually, with only about 7 original members, and I'm one of the original founders. Unfortunately, the 6 founders wasn't able to attend tonight because they have other commitments. And one of the founder called me this morning. He's supposed to come, but he was taken to the ICU for something. So hopefully we wish him well. Yeah, I'm very proud to be a proud founder of this organization, and it's very impressive to see how my members, my officers function. Oh, they are great. What can I say? They're good. They are good because of their uniqueness, cohesiveness, passion in challenges, and dedication to the most famous club of San Diego. And they have exceeded our expectation, and we are able to successfully achieve our goals and mission, which is to play golf and have a good fun. Okay, over the years, we have developed various innovative programs, directives, and charitable tournaments similar to the United States Golf Association standards. Our shooters have many tireless, talented officers and members who were instrumental in creating these famous events. I commend their leadership, their can-do attitude, and enormous undertakings teamwork, which are instrumental for the success of the club. Additionally, contributing factor are the support of their loving wives, friends, and guests, which makes Parachuters the best with the support of their wives, husband, and friends. Thank you, ladies, for supporting your husbands. You really make a difference to your husband or wife game of golf. Okay. You guys have played a vital role for your husband's winning ways. And really exciting when you go home smiling because you win a tournament and achieve the most exclusive and elusive game of golf, the hole-in-one. The hole-in-one is very unique. The odds of winning it, I think, is 1 million to 1. So far, we had about 4 or 5 members who are lucky to achieve that. Me, I've been playing golf for 35 years. I never had one. I came close, but very close enough. So anyway, congratulations for those hole-in-ones achievers. Okay, the year 2013 was also a crowning glory for Parachuters, as we welcome 3 lady golfers from a different club who are willing to participate and try to beat the boys. They are really good and aggressive, and they're and personous, and they want to try to, like I said, Do you want to try to act like the LPG? And I'm proud to present and welcome Melanie Luke. Stand up, please. Jet Lavi. And Jackie Novicio. Thank you, ladies, and welcome to the Boys Club. Okay. Also, tonight, I'm deeply honored to have the following officers and members in our organization. And please hold your applause after I read their names and their achievement. First of all, I'd like to thank our tournament director, Arthur Duagan. He is the best tournament director we ever had. And not for him, this club would not ever function.
Thank you very much.
Okay? Thank you, Mr. TD. I call him TD, not touchdown, but tournament director. Next would be my Vice President, Nori Gamboa. Where are you, Nori? Thank you, Nori. There he is. He's very supportive to me, and thank you for your help. Next one would be my famous version of IRS or BIR, Bureau of Internal Revenue, none other than my Secretary and Treasurer, Andy Belvis. He hold the money. So if you need some money, go see him, but you have to earn it.
Andy, where's my money?
Next would be our public relation officer responsible for keeping in touch with other people to attend our functions. Please welcome Femi Cupid. Next would be Nestor Mendiola. He's my tournament index director, and this guy is very talented. In regards to computer, he's the wizard.
Let's go, Ness.
Thank you, Nestor. All right. And also the 4 governors. So we have different districts that are divided in our club. We have the Banawi, Mabuhay, Sampaguita, and San Miguel. For the governor of Banawi is none other than Al Nona. Gas Martinez, Mabuhay District. Ted Dilonas, Sampaguita District. And Bob Navales, San Miguel District. Thank you. Okay, my accolades goes also to the following committee members. They are very supportive to the club. And to them, they are really good. That's why I could sleep well tonight. Please welcome Ed Basik, Juan Villegas, Camilo Avalos, Renton Albayador, Billy Jabati, James Lorenzo, Robert Aragon, Henry Gold, Ted Tana, and Randy Poronda. Tonight, unfortunately, events happen to the life. You know what? When a fellow golfers pass, we love them so much, and we're gonna miss them. And they played their heart out when they were a member of my club. And tonight, I have the honor to pay homage to them. Kindly bow your head for about 1 minute so we could pay homage to our fallen warriors. Thank you. Partners has done an enormous job in metamorphosis over the years. And we're able to accomplish our goals. I want to emphasize the importance to have a club with multifaceted officers and members. For you guys are simply the best. Okay, parishioners and I will continue our dreams and vision. We will honor our obligations and responsibilities as golfers. There may be hurdles ahead, but I have enormous belief that parishioners will be a dominant and vigorous golf organization for many years to come. I'm looking forward for the year 2013, 2014 and beyond for more successful golfing. Aloha 2013, adios 2013. Aloha, that means welcome 2014. Thank you very much, and let us celebrate tonight with cheers and love. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody.
Thank you, Mr. President. And have you noticed that we don't have a mayor? The reason we don't have a mayor is we don't want any scandals. We don't want any investigation or whatever. So we just keep the presidency and the governorship. Yeah. Now, as you know, I will continue what the president was saying. We have right now, we're close to about 92 members. And we cover from Temecula all the way down to Chula Vista. Now, along this program, I'll be speaking in 3 languages and 3 dialects. And if you don't understand it, just go with it. But you will find out that the names you'll see, for example, you hear about the Banawi Open. Banawi Open was named after the rice races of Banawi, one of the 8 wonders of the world. Beautiful rice races. And then, of course, we have the Sampaguita flower, named after the Sampaguita. It's called the Sampaguita Open. And then we have the San Miguel. This is named after our favorite drink, Ginebra San Miguel. You know, yeah. And then, of course, we have the Mabuhay, the phrase Mabuhay, long live the Philippines. Mabuhay is the Imelda Marcos. Mabuhay is the Obama. You know, sounds all good. So that's the story behind it. Now, most of our tournaments is named after the city where we live. You'll find out later on. You'll find we have a Chula Vista Cup, we have a San Diego Cup, we have Temecula Cup, we have Escondido Cup, we also have Mira Mesa Cup. And this is just to remind us that this is where we are, we live here. And then on top of that, most of our tournaments is named after our members. I know some of you here probably read my email. I'm the one responsible every time, I email it. You read probably the wife's hand read it too. You'll find that some of the members will have, for example, I would set an example with the James Lorenzo Invitational, or I would say Ed Bassig, the Everett Tradition, or I would say Pangilinan Classic. These all have a name. We just don't play golf. It has a name. And to be a sponsor, to sponsor a tournament, you have to provide a trophy with your name. Because if you look at these trophies right here, these are handcraft trophies. I don't know. They're not really made in Japan, but they're handcrafted by the president. Beautiful trophies. And you'll see the names. All right, when you go to these houses and you see these trophies, they're almost the same. The way it's designed, the configuration. And to my right, that is the biggest trophy that I ever made. That was made 20 years ago. 20 years ago. That's our club championship. Whoever wins that big one is really a winner. It's a big winner. And then the rest are championship trophies. So we cover everything. We cover everything. And you're flying. Most of our members here are when you retire. Most of them retire. When you retire, you join the Homeland Security. Homeland Security, you stay at home, take care of the baby, take care of the kids, take care of the house. That's Homeland Security. Or you be a consultant of NASA. Of NASA. Nasa bahay, nasa garden, nasa casino, you know, it's all good. So, but the truth of the matter is, you know, the reason we play golf is because it's a therapy. You know? Our oldest member right now, he's not here, he's about 82 years old. But I'd like to welcome the next oldest members, is Joe Tuquero. Joe Tuquero, will you please stand up? Joe Tuquero is 79 years old, but he looks good. He can swing a club. Yeah. Now, our best player also are our PJ instructors. You know, these are the guys that teach us golf. As a matter of fact, let me call him Robert. Robert, will you please stand up? Robert is one of our best players. And I have also Ted Tana. Ted Tana is also one of our best players. Please stand up. Thank you very much. And surprisingly, we have a player that played for the NFL. Did you believe that? He played for Arizona Cardinals. Where is Ron Nichols? Ron Nichols. I can't believe this guy. I can't believe this guy. And I said, do you really want to join this Filipino club? This is God. This is Filipino. Yeah. He loved it. He loved it. Hey, welcome, brother. Welcome. So, and you know, our playing ability is that, you know, it's like bowling. It's like